secant line? How do I find the average rate?
You find 2 points.
2 points. Where are my 2 points?
1, 0,
Plug 1 into the equation, you get 0. You plug 5 in and you get what? Okay? Average rate of change is 2 minus 0 over 5 minus 1, which is 1/2. So what did I just solve for, Eric, with that? What is that 1/2? The derivative
It is the slope of the secant.
of the secant line. It's the average rate of change on the interval. If I wanted the equation for the secant line, how would I do that, Joanna?
You would choose one of your points.
Which one? It's important.
Either one.
Which one?
1, 0.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, either one. Okay, so if I want the slope of this, or the equation of the secant line, you choose either point. In this case, you have 2 of them. Okay. Give it to me in point slope.
Y minus 0 equals half x minus 1.
Cool. Great. Do we agree with this? Okay, great. How do I find where the tangent line is parallel to that secant line? David, how would I go about that? Okay, what is the derivative of square root of x to the minus 1? The derivative is 1/2 x minus 1 to the minus 1/2. I'm going to get rid of that negative exponent. So I'm going to flip it. Okay. Here's my derivative function. And what's my goal? Why did I take the derivative? Yeah, I want to solve for the x value to make the derivative equal to 1/2. Looks like another fun algebra problem here. Yeah, so how did you go about this? You cross whatever, you bring this up there, bring this up there.
Well, I just figured you'd want like everything except square root equal 1. So that
Ah, you tricked, you Jedi mind tricked it. Well done, sir. Yeah, in order to get 1/2 and equal to 1/2, this has to be a 1. So then that means x has to be 2. Yeah, that's one good way to look at it. I'm going to use my Uncle Al. Jabra. And I'm going to solve this thing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply, get this up here. So if I do that, I get 1 equals 2 times the square root of x minus 1 over 2. If I multiply both sides by this thing, this denominator. Does that make sense? Okay? So then these 2's would cancel out, leaving you with 1 equals the square root of x minus 1. Then what can I do? Square both sides. 1 squared is 1. Free the canary. And then x equals 2, just like you said. Okay, great. So I just solved for the x value that where the tangent line has a slope of 1/2. How can I get the equation of the tangent line then? Yep, you need a point and a slope. I have a slope and an x value. So how can I find the y value? Plug it into the original equation. When x is 2, what does y equal? 2 minus 1 is 1. Square root of that is all good. So what is the equation of the tangent line? Keep it going, David. Great. Wasn't that fun, you guys? Did we like that or no? So again, we're solving. You see where it gets so muddled and confusing? We're solving and x values and slopes. And then, we got to plug it in the original equation to get the y value. See, it's just a lot of weird stuff. But just ask yourself, what am I doing right now? What's the goal? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I don't know. Good question. Oh yeah, that's my job. All right, let's try 44 in your groups. 44.
You're so funny.